Hi guys, hope you all are well. I'm really sorry for my previous video because it was supposed to be uploaded the day before yesterday. But due to some urgency in my work, I wasn't able to upload the video the day before yesterday and I had to upload it yesterday. So I'm really sorry for that. And now let's begin with the rest of the 10 fruit crops which were left.
So the first one is fig. Its botanical name is Ficus carica. Major states growing fig are Uttar Pradesh, Gujarat, Karnataka, and Maharashtra. Soil required is medium to heavy, well drained, and deep, and the pH should be 7 to 8. Climate required is semi arid, and the temperature should be 45 degrees Celsius. Propagation can be done by seeds, cutting, layering, and grafting. Varieties of fig are Puna, Desert King, San Pedro, Stanford. The preparation of land can be done by digging pit of 60 centimeter cube, filling them with soil, sand, and farmyard manure in the ratio of 1 is to 1 is to 1. Planting distance should be 2.5 meter into 2.5 meter, and the time of sowing should be one set of monsoon. In case of fertilizer, 300 is to 200 is to 200 gram NPK per tree is applied along with 25 kg of farmyard manure and 2 kg of oil cake. Irrigation can be done at 10 days interval in the summers. Interculture can be done by training and regular pruning. The yield which we will get is 12 to 15 tons per hectare. Now the next one is papaya. Its botanical name is Carica papaya. Major states growing papaya are Uttar Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, and Maharashtra. The soil required is rich, alluvial, calcareous, and stony, and the pH should be 5 to 8. In case of climate, 12 degree to 14 degree Celsius should be the night temperature. Propagation can be done by seeds. The varieties are Pusa delicious, Pusa majesty, CO1 to CO6, Coorg honeydew. Preparation of land can be done by trenches or furrows or pits. The planting distance should be 1.2 meter to 1.8 meter. The time of sowing should be February to March, June to July, and October to November. The fertilizer dose should be 250 is to 250 is to 500 gram NPK per tree. Irrigation can be done at 10 days interval from October to May. Interculture can be done by weed control and the yield which we will get is 60 to 75 tons per hectare. Now the next one is jamun. Its botanical name is Syzygium cumin. Major states growing jamun are Tamil Nadu, Himalaya region, and Kumauk Hills. The soil required is calcareous, saline, deep, and well drained. Climate required is dry and hot and frost free. Propagation can be done through seeds, nucellar plants, and grafting. Varieties are Rajamun, the locals, as well as the paras. Preparation of land can be done by digging of pits of 1 meter cube. Planting distance should be 8 meter to 10 meter. Time of sowing is July to September. Fertilizer dose is 500 is to 600 is to 300 gram NPK per tree along with 20 kg of farmyard manure per tree. In case of irrigation, these are generally rain-fed crops, so no irrigation is required. Also, no interculture is required. The yield which we will get is 50 to 100 kg per tree. Now the next one is acid lime. Its botanical name is Citrus aurantifolia. Major states growing acid lime are Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, and Maharashtra. Soil required is sandy, loam, and well drained. Climate should be frost free and warm. Propagation can be done through seeds and nucellar seedling. Varieties are Pramalini, Vikram, seedless lime. Preparation of land can be done by plowing of 90 centimeter cube pits. Planting distance should be 4 meter to 6 meter. Time of sowing is June to August. Fertilizer dose is 900 is to 250 is to 500 gram NPK per tree along with 50 kg of farmyard manure. Irrigation can be done by drip irrigation. Interculture is done by Bahar treatment and the yield which we will get is 3000 to 3500 fruits per tree. The next one is pineapple. Its botanical name is Ananas commosus. Major states growing pineapple are Assam, Meghalaya, West Bengal, Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra. Soil required is heavy clay and the pH should be 5 to 6. Climate should be warm and humid. Propagation can be done through suckers and slips. Varieties of pineapple are Q, Giant Q, and Queen. Preparation of land can be done by plowing trenches or furrow opened. Planting distance should be 22.5 centimeter into 60 centimeter into 90 centimeter. Time of sowing is June to July and October to November. Fertilizer required is 12 is to 4 is to 12 gram NPK per tree. In case of irrigation, these are generally rain-fed crops, but still irrigation is required once in 20 to 25 days. Interculture can be done by weeding and mulching, and the yield which we will get is 40 to 50 tons per hectare. By the way, if you are new to the channel, then please subscribe and click the bell icon to receive the notification for our upcoming videos. Now the next one is custard apple. Its botanical name is Annona squamosa. Major states growing custard apple are Andhra Pradesh, Bihar, Karnataka and Maharashtra. Soil required is shallow, rocky and gravel soil. Climate should be tropical climate. Propagation is done by seeds and grafting. Varieties are Balangar and the local varieties. Preparation of land can be done by digging pits of 60 centimeter cube. Planting distance should be 5 meter into 5 meter. Time of sowing is June. Fertilizer dose is 250 is to 125 is to 125 gram NPK per tree. In case of irrigation, these are generally rain-fed crops. Interculture can be done by weeding and pruning. The yield which we will get is 100 to 150 fruits per tree. Now the next one is ber. Its botanical name is Ziziphus marutina. Major states growing ber are Haryana, Rajasthan, Gujarat, Karnataka and Maharashtra. Soil required is wide range of sandy, light and saline soil. Climate should be hot and dry and should have drought condition. Propagation can be done by I or T budding. Varieties are Gola, Seb, Umran, Kaithali, Kadak and Mehroon. Preparation of land can be done by digging the pits of 60 centimeter cube. Planting distance should be 6 meter to 8 meter. Time of sowing is January to March. In situ budding. Fertilizer dose is 750 is to 250 is to 250 gram NPK per tree. In case of irrigation, these are generally rain-fed crops. Interculture can be done by intercropping, initially with pulses. The yield which we will get is 80 to 120 kg fruits per tree. Now the next one is jackfruit. Its botanical name is Artocarpus heterophyllus. Major states growing jackfruit are coastal Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka and Maharashtra. Soil required is light, sandy to heavy. Climate should be warm and humid, should have high rainfall and cannot tolerate cold and frost. Propagation can be done by seeds and grafting. Varieties are Gulabi, Champa, and Hazar. For the preparation of land, pits of 1 meter cube are dug. Planting distance should be 10 meter to 12 meter. Time of sowing is June to August. Fertilizer dose is 600 is to 300 is to 240 gram NPK per tree. Irrigation. In case of irrigation, these are generally rain-fed crops. Interculture can be done by intercropping, and the yield which we will get is 40 to 50 tons per hectare. Now the next one is Aula. Its botanical name is Ambelica officinalis. Major states growing Aula are UP, Andhra Pradesh, Rajasthan, Gujarat, Karnataka and Maharashtra. Soil required is slightly acidic to saline and the pH should be 6.5 to 9.5. The climate required is dry and hot and frost free. Propagation can be done through seeds, budding and grafting. Varieties are Kanchan, N7, N10, Banarasi and Chakia. For preparation of land, pits of 90 cm cube are dug. Planting distance should be 7 meter to 10 meter. Time of sowing should be June to September. Fertilizer dose is 100 is to 50 is to 100 gram NPK along with 10 kg of farmyard manure per tree. Irrigation is done in 10 to 15 days interval. Interculture can be done by mulching and weeding, and the yield which we will get is 15 to 20 tons per hectare. Now the last one is Karvand. Its botanical name is Carissa carandus. Major states growing Karvand are West Bengal, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka and Maharashtra. Soil required is light saline and sodic soil. Climate should be drought tolerant. Propagation can be done through seeds, cutting and air layering. Varieties are Maroon and the local varieties. Preparation of land can be done by digging of pits of 45 cm cube and the planting distance should be 2 meter to 4 meter. Time of sowing is June to July. Fertilizer required is 400 gram of mixture of NPK along with 10 to 15 kg of farmyard manure per tree. These are generally rain-fed crops and interculture is not required generally. And the yield we will get is 3 to 5 kg fruits per plant.
Finally, this is the end of my video and I hope you liked it. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and share this video. As for the next video, it is going to be on the vegetables. So I hope you will watch those videos. Until the next time we meet, bye bye and have a nice day.